Patented 9-in-1 chassis, elegant paintings, versatile design for use at home or in salons. Fortic Annoization Silent Fat Explosion 2.5, greater power with reduced tinnitus for an enhanced experience. Vacuum suction and bipolar RF, accelerates fat removal, enhances lymphatic circulation, and boosts metabolism. Advanced 3D RF technology, firm skin texture, and provides a lifting effect. Take care of different parts of the skin, face, eyes, and body. More facial handles for skin rejuvenation. 8 lipolaser pads to consolidate body shaping effects. Get it to enjoy body sculpting and skincare journey.
Step 1. Install the 3 racks one by one. Step 2. Assemble the handles by turns and put them in the racks orderly. Step 3. Mount the filter onto the machine. How to install and replace the fuse when the power button indicator light is not on. Let's get your business started.